everybody, welcome back to my channel, aka the channel of cringiness, aka the girl who's never posted ever since like the 7th grade. I feel like every time the camera comes on I just become this really disgusting person that I swear I'm not in real life. So I'm sorry that I'm not really groomed. There's baby hairs flying everywhere, which pretty much sums up my channel. But subscribe down below if you want some more of this stupidness. That's my dog. So anyways, I ordered a MacBook and basically it's supposed to come today. Quick disclaimer, I didn't know it actually came tomorrow. I'm hoping to receive it in a few hours. Again, that didn't happen because I was just being really dumb. But basically, I ordered a case on Amazon and so the case was $13.99, but I kind of signed up for the Amazon Prime free trial and then I kind of canceled it last minute, so I got free shipping. I will link the case down below. I mean, if you want to get it, it's pretty cheap for what you get here. The lighting is really weird. Editing Amy, please fix this. So basically, I got this little case. Oh, I'm sorry if I also look over here a lot. I have a viewfinder thing, so I'm still not into my old YouTubing name, okay? This is in the color camel, and with it comes with a bottom case. I got a bottom case. I mean, I'd hope a laptop would have a bottom case. I got a bottom case. My favorite part, literally, this thing. This little squiggly thing, which you'll see in the next scene, because I suck at showing stuff. I'm not a beauty guru. Like, do you see that? Do you slippery case thing? Yes, if this is the first video you're watching with me, hi, I'm Amy. She doesn't have a life and she's talking to a camera by herself. Yeah. So yeah, it's this same color as the case, camel color. I'm making this too long, honestly. So lastly, we have the screen protector, which I originally did not know it came with. And so it comes with a little cleaner thing. So that's exciting, right? What? Open. No. Go away. I want to post more content that I'm into, kind of. I really like editing montage videos. None of you care. I know. I'm sorry. That's pretty much it for my MacBook case, so let's move on to when I actually get my MacBook. 3, 2, 1! What's up guys, it's Amy from day 2. Still not groomed, nothing's really changed. I completely forgot I had to film this video, but I actually filmed the video on my Instagram live. Unfortunately, it's not public, so if you're all one of my buddies, go check it out on my Finsta. This is the MacBook. Oh my gosh, oh my god, when I saw it, I could like not stop screaming. I was like a kid. It was pretty bad. We put the little camel case on it. Ooh, I just hit it on the wall. Perfect. It has a little Apple logo, a little dim. And we got the little bottom part. And we got this little, we got the keyboard on here. And I'm actually thinking about taking it off, but I'm not sure. I like it for the fact that it's actually covering and protecting the keyboard from my oily fingers, but I really don't like typing with it. I really wish I did unbox it on camera, but I was kind of in an iffy situation. I wasn't at home, I didn't have my camera, so I just did an Instagram live video. And I am editing this footage right now. It's actually going pretty smoothly, and yeah, it's pretty nice. It's got a nice weight to it, and I'm really bad at doing reviews and stuff, but my MacBook is a MacBook Pro 13-inch, 8GB RAM, and 256GB SSD, so if y'all techies wanted to hear that, I'm not a techie, I just looked up a whole bunch of videos on YouTube. Guys, I spent all my money. I am officially broke from spending my money on this laptop. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to this channel to sign up for some quality content. I'm gonna try to be as much genuine. So I'm gonna be posting videos just whenever I kind of feel like it, if I have anything coming up. This is my first video. I mean, it's not great, but hopefully it'll get better from here, so make sure to hop on for the journey we is about to have on this channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Bye! Bye!